Hello everyone, I am PhD student specializing in biodiversity and valorization of natural resources. I am delighted to present to you a review on the phytochemical profile and biological activities of Lomis herba venti L. This review encompasses studies conducted by various researchers who have identified and analyzed the compounds of this plant while assessing their biological activities. We start with an introduction. The plants of the Lamiaceae family are found all over the world. In Algeria, where plant biodiversity is exceptionally rich, the Lamiaceae family is represented by 28 genera and 146 species. It is a vast family highly characteristic of the plant world, which holds a dual significance. On the one hand, it has significant economic importance due to the production of essential oils. On the other hand, these plants hold a particular position due to their use in traditional medicine, playing an essential role in the health of local populations. To better understand this context, Algeria is characterized by a remarkable diversity of plant species due to its varied geography, different climates, and rich ecosystems. It is estimated that there are several thousand plant species in Algeria, many of which have medicinal properties and produce interesting secondary metabolites. These secondary metabolites are at the core of our review. They play a crucial role in the survival and adaptation of plants to their environment. We move into the presentation of the plant. Scientific name Lomis herba venti L. Systematic classification. This plant she belongs to the family of Lamiaceae, order Lamiales. Botanical description. It's an annual herb. Stems are erect, highly branched and pyramidal, typically reaching a height of 20 to 50 centimeters. Flowering is abundant. Geographical distribution. Lomis herba venti is generally dispersed in Algeria. It is mainly found in the Mediterranean regions of Algeria, including the Mediterranean coast as well as some land regions of the country. Concerning the therapeutic uses of Lomis herba venti L, in Algeria this plant is traditionally used for the treatment of inflammation and rheumatism. Its medicinal properties are harnessed to alleviate joint and muscle pains. Other uses. This research also indicates that this plant is employed for various elements, including as a veterinary antidiarrheal. Research methodology, extraction techniques of compounds. Sophisticated extraction techniques were employed by researchers to obtain the active compounds from this plant. Solvent extraction and hydrodistillation using a Clevender type apparatus are commonly utilized methods for isolating compounds from Lomis herba venti. Regarding analysis, several studies mention the use of advanced techniques such as nuclear magnetic resonance and mass spectrometry. These methods have been crucial for the precise identification of compounds present in Lomis herba venti. Concerning the phytochemical profile, our review highlights several key compounds that have been identified in this plant. According to a study conducted in Algeria, one of these compounds is beta-stigmasterol, a plant sterol that has garnered considerable interest due to its potentially beneficial health properties. Another essential compound is lamidae, an eridoid that has been isolated not only from Lomis herba venti but also from other species of the Lomis genus. Lamidae exhibits promising biological activities. A study from Iran reports that the main constituents of the oil from the leaves of Lomis herba venti L are gamma-crindi with 31.1% and alpha-merolol with 11% and alpha-pain with 7.1%. According to previous literature and surveys on oils of the Lomis genus, it has been shown that they are also dominated by cis-terpenes. Biological activities. It is important to note that these results are based on previous studies conducted by researchers in this field. Antioxidant activities. Tests have revealed that extracts of Lomis herba venti exhibit remarkable antioxidant activity, with a DPPH free radical scavenging rate of 19.29 with 6.05%. In comparison, this value is close to that of PHT a widely used synthetic antioxidant. This suggests that compounds extracted from this plant could have strong potential to combat oxidative damage in the body. Antimicrobial activity. Tests have shown that these extracts have significant activity against certain bacterial strains such as Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli, as well as against the fungus Aspergillus niger. These results indicate that Flamicer baventi could have potential applications in the fight against infections. Regarding anti-diabetic activity, preliminary studies suggest that certain compounds in this plant may have protective effect on the liver and the pancreas, thereby reducing oxidative stress associated with the diabetes. Finally, the analgesic properties of certain extracts from Flamicer baventi are also promising opening a avenue for research the pain management. Conclusions and outlook. Our review has examined in detail the phytochemical profile of Flamicer baventi, highlighting key identified compounds such as beta-stigmasterol and lamidae. Furthermore, we'll have reviewed the various biological activities of these compounds, including their antioxidant and anti-diabetic and anti-inflammatory properties. This finding open promising avenues for the development of natural medicine and innovative therapeutic agents. Perspective. Well, our review has provided significant insights. There is still much to discover. Future research could focus on identifying new molecules and understanding specific mechanisms of actions. Thank you.